Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello everyone, good morning, nice to meet you. I'm Riva, student of first year. I live at Bortola in Sheikhpur district. My father's name is Navimullah and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Ravin Yasmin and she is an homemaker. I have one brother and four sisters. My parents always love me, but my mother's love me too much. I like Chinese food, street food, fast food, but I dislike vegetarian food. By the way, my favorite hobby is farming. I want to be a marketing officer in future. Please pray for me. That's all.